tunasema tusichome game, and that is why we have now opened other areas where Kenyans can be able to watch the game, like here in Babadogo. We have a total of 13 fan zones across the city, and we have also done the same in other parts of the country. So we have surmounted the security challenges, and you may have noticed that CAF have actually increased the percentage of those who can get into Kasarani from 60 to 80% for this evening's game. And our expectation is that by the time we go to the finals, because we are hosting the finals, we will have we'll be allowed to do full capacity. So mine is to appreciate and commend Kenyans. They've shown a lot of patriotism, and the success of Harambee Stars so far, apart from the individual talent, apart from what the coach has been able to do, there's been the 12th man in the game who are actually Kenyans, and they deserve all the accolades that go with it.